Yes, my dear friends, now I am going to explain you solution of non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation means, see that one here. Uh, for identification of non-homogeneous differential equation, just I am giving you very easy example that if any differential equation is written as d by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c divided by ax plus by plus capital C. So see that one here degree 1, but here degree 0. Degree 1, and here degree 0. Degree is not everywhere same, so that's why it is called non-homogeneous differential equation. So how we can solve it? Nothing. See here, for the solution of non-homogeneous differential equation, nothing. If you clearly see that one, here x plus y given and here 2x plus 2y. It means this is the double of up. So for the solution of that one, if you got like that one, nothing you have to do. Substitute x plus y as v, u, whatever you can, and then differentiate it. So find the derivative of this one. So d dx of x is 1 plus d dx of y means dy dx equal to dv dx. Now write, because of here dy dx is given, so write the value of dy dx from here. So dy dx is dv dx minus 1. Replace this one here. Now substitute this. Suppose that this is equation 1. From equation 1, dy dx means dv dx minus 1. X plus y means v plus 1 divided by 2v plus 3, because of this is 2 times of this one. Now replace this here and simplify. So it comes dv dx is equal to v plus 1 over 2v plus 3 plus 1, and now simplify it. After simplification of the previous paper, we get like that one, v plus 1 plus 2v plus 3 divided by this. Now simplify it. So v plus 2v means 3v plus 3 plus 1, that means 4 divided by 2v plus 3. Now you try to solve that. By which method? We can try to solve it by variable separable method. Remember that one. Variable separable method is very important method for the solution of the differential equation. So what you have to do? Just put it. This comes here 2v plus 3, and this comes down 3v plus 4 dv equal to this goes here, and integrate it. So for the part of integration of that part, no problem. But for the integration of that part, problem, because of I do not know how to integrate it. So what we have to do? Just we want to simplify it by using this concept. The concept is that one. Suppose that I need to divide 7 by 3. So what is the method for that one? Very easy method, that you have to write like that one and multiplied by in your mind that one, which gives that the multiplication of that one is equal to or less than. So if I multiply 3 multiplied by 2, it comes 6, subtract it. 7 minus 6 is 1. I need to write this one as in terms of fractional part. So fractional part means it will come as 2 plus 1 divided by 3. This is the fractional part of 7 by 3. The same thing is here. Divide this term by this one and write it in the fractional part. Then we can simplify, or we can try to solve it. So I am going to write the division of that one in separate page. Then we can understand here. So what is that? Division of 2v plus 3 by 3v plus 4. What we have to do? See here, I need here 2v, but here it is written as 3v. So what we have to do? We need to multiply, in my mind that one, that multiplication gives us 2v here. So see, if I multiply here by 2 by 3, so 3 multiplied by 3 cancel and 2v. So multiply 2v plus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 by 3, and subtract it. So this minus cancel. So what is that? 3 minus 8 by 3. 3 minus 8 by 3 means 1 by 3. Now the division of that one, by using that, we can write it like that one. See here, 2 by 3. So division of that one by using this concept, it comes 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and this divisor 3v plus 4 bracket close, integration symbol, dv is equal to dx. Now just a question which seems very difficult. Now if you simplify by using this concept, division concept, we can see that one. We can see that the integration of that part we can write very easily. So 2 by 3, this is constant term. Integration of 2 by 3 constant term with respect to dv, v means v, plus 1 by 3, and this one is ln 3v plus 4. Because of v multiplied by 3 also, so constant will come down again, and x plus c. Now simplify it just and write the answer. So simplification of that one is, just see here, it is 2 by 3 v plus ln 3v plus 4 divided by 9 equal to x plus c. Now replace v. What is v? V is x plus y. Just 2 by 3 x plus y plus ln 3 x plus y plus 4 divided by 9 equal to x plus c. 2 by 3 x plus y plus ln 3x plus 3y plus 4 divided by 9 equal to x plus c. This is the answer of this non-homogeneous differential equation. Hopefully you understand, my dear friend. Question number 2, solve this non-homogeneous differential equation. So what we have to do for the solution of that one? What we have to do? dy dx equal to x minus y plus 3 divided by 2x minus 2y plus 5. Now if you see clearly that this is 2x minus 2y and this is x minus, it means that one, this is the double of that one. So if double of that one, then what you have to do? Put here x minus y as v and differentiate it. So derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of y with respect to x is dy dx equal to dv dx. So now the value of dy dx is 1 minus dv dx equal to dy dx. Because of this is minus, so replace this one here and replace this here. So the value of dy dx is 1 minus dv. So assume this one is first equation. So from first we get, see, the value of dy dx is 1 minus dv dx equal to x minus y. X minus y means v plus 3, and this is 2x minus, that means 2v plus 5. Now simplify it. If you simplify it, it comes now 1 minus v plus 3 by 2v plus 5 is equal to dv by x. Why I am replacing this one here? Because of negativity is always difficult thing. So I just try to put dv dx as positive. So replace this one here and this one here. So we get like that one, and then now use cross multiplication. So this will come as 2v plus 5 minus v minus 3 divided by 2v plus 5 is equal to dv divided by dx. Now simplify. 2v minus v means v plus 5 minus 3 means 2 divided by 2v plus 5 is equal to dv divided by x. So now we want to solve it by using variable separable method. So can I write variable separable method? So see that one, variable separable method, just keep this. So multiply this one here and keep this one here. 2v plus 5 divided by v plus 2 dv and integrate it. Now again, the integration means how we can integrate. So again I am going to use by solution either in separate part. So integration of that one is, just we need to divide it by this. So division of 2v plus 5 by v plus 2. So what we need here 2. So what you have to do, just multiply by 2 here. So it is coming 2v plus 4. Now simplify it. So this cancel, 5 minus 4 is 1. So what is that one? So this one means by using this concept, this one dx integration is equal to division of that one is 2 plus 1 divided by v plus 2 into dv. Now integrate it. So integration of dx means x is equal to integration of 2 means 2v, and this one is ln v plus 2 plus integration constant. I forget to write, I will write here. So now the next page, x plus c integration constant to v, replace that one. V means x minus y plus ln v means x minus y plus 2. Just this one is the answer of that question. Nothing in that type of question. Hopefully, my dear friend, you understand this part. On continuation of that one, I am putting question number 3 for non-homogeneous differential equation. But it is given here, given that. That means given that y of minus 5 is equal to minus 5. It means that you need to write the value of c. So what is the solution of this non-homogeneous? See here, y minus x is up and y minus x is over. Same thing. So what you have to do, put here y minus x as v and differentiate it. So dy dx minus d dx of x is 1 equal to dv dx. Therefore, the value of dy dx is dv dx plus 1. Now check the value of dy dx from this equation. The value of dy dx is dv dx plus 1. Y minus x means v minus 1. Just simplify it. Simplify means replace this one here. It comes dv dx equal to v divided by v minus 1 because of plus here. And simplify. dv dx is equal to v minus v plus 1 divided by v minus 1. Cancel this one. So this becomes now dv divided by dx is equal to 1 divided by v minus 1. Now simplified. V minus 1 dv using cross multiplication. Just come here and this will come here. This dx comes here. So now integrate separately. Integration of v means v square by 2. Integration of 1 means v is equal to integration of dx means x plus c. Now replace v. What is v? V means y minus x power 2 divided by 2 minus y minus x is equal to x plus c. This is your general solution. But what he needs, he do not need general solution because of condition is given. So given that y minus 5 is equal to minus 5, it means that at x is equal to minus 5, y is equal to minus 5. Now substitute here and check that one. Y is equal to minus 5. So it means that minus 5 minus x means minus 5. So plus 5 divided by 2 power 2 minus 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus c. So this cancel. It means that c is equal to 5. So c is equal to what? 5. So replace in the general solution. From general solution, GS means general solution, y minus x power 2 divided by 2 minus y minus x is equal to x plus c. C means 5. This is the solution of that one, which is called particular solution. Again, my dear friend, I am just telling you that one. This one is called general solution, GS. General solution where constant is coming. That means if first order differential equation, then one constant. Second order differential equation, then two constant. Then that type of solution is called general solution. But if you replace the value of c, that one is called particular solution. Hopefully you understand about that solution of non-homogeneous differential equation.